Looking for a head start into the wealth management industry? Want to earn at least $100,000 yearly? We are a close-knit team at Professional Investment Advisory Services, also known as PIAS. Our team is headed by Randy, and we are currently looking for young and talented individuals with strong ambition to be successful to expand our team. Our team combined has more than 15 years of experience in the financial field and will have the resources to help you achieve work-life flexibility while building up your passive income stream, paving your route to success. In PIAS, you get to experience 3 different aspects, mainly risk management, investment, and financial planning. To ensure your holistic development, you'll have the freedom to explore the different functions of the sectors during your stay at PIAS. In PIAS, you receive investment portfolio training from various fund houses like Aberdeen, Alliance, BlackRock, and Schroders. Get involved in our in-house analyst insights of the markets and funds. Learn the fundamentals of portfolio management and gain hands-on experience in managing investment risk and the strategies to apply in different market sentiments. Since age is your advantage, you should take this chance to start this career early while earning a monthly allowance from $3,000. We welcome you on board as an intern or part-timer too. I would love to share more about this opportunity with you if you're interested. Scan the QR code to fill out your details and I'll get back to you soon. Hop over to the next video to find out the detailed career progression in the different sectors. Hope to hear from you soon.